All right, here's the floor without the tables and stuff. We're gonna have to use the regular broom to sweep the trash up before, because they use the dust mops and they are all wet. So it's gonna take us longer to do this. I don't know what that is. Stuff all in the. Let's see. Okay. Trying to get a couple of angles.